there at the base. Big squirrel keeps responding to my call. I know I had to magnify it so you could see it. Listening. You can see it or not? I'm trying to. There it is. There it is. There you can see the head sticking out. Right there, watching me. Just thought I would show. And do respond. And being cautious. Alright, there it is. Let me see if I can get a better zoom. That's the face right there. That's the ears. I'm sorry, the camera doesn't work that good. There it is, responding, see? Just thought I would share that. The call does work. I don't even know if I could hit that squirrel. It's covered by the brush right there. I've been calling and calling to it, and it responds. But it has a lot of protection. I can try, but I don't think I'm gonna hit through those bushes. I missed. Like I said, I'm surprised I didn't hit the branches.